Yoga Day. It is a global celebration that takes place every year on 21st June. It's basically a day dedicated to an ancient practice that is all about connecting our mind, body and soul. It was officially started by United Nations to remind everyone how important it is to take care of our mental and physical health. Footage. It clears our mental confusion, forcing our mind to focus so we can stay upright. Surya Namaskar. First asana is Pranamasana. Next asana is Aswasanchalanasana. Regulate our body's hormones and energy. Pray. It corrects our posture by forcing our spine into perfect upright alignment. It sharpens our focus, providing the physical stability we need to clear mental clutter.
Get across. Get down. Up. Line leg up.